Hello everyone, welcome to Undoubtme. In this video, we will be discussing the explanation of our first circle theorem, which is angles in the same segment are equal. There are total 8 circle theorems and you can expect to get videos for all 8 in the upcoming time. This is the first one. Now what is the meaning of segment? So for a circle, if I just draw a chord, this AB is a chord, and this divides the circle into 2 segments. So the one which I am shading is the minor segment and the above one is the major segment. Now before going to the theorem, you should just understand the ideology behind what is the meaning of angle. So let's say if there are 2 lines which are making a certain angle, so they have some starting and end point. I'm talking about points A and B. Now if the length of A and B is, let's say, something fixed, okay, for example, if it is fixed and if I make this angle in any orientation, let's say if I make somewhat like this but the length is still same, then angle will also remain same, and that is what we need to use in circle theorem, which is what we are discussing. So based on that, if I take any point on the circle, let's say C, and if I draw a triangle, so you can see that we have an angle created. We can call that angle as theta. Okay, now that theta is created in between A and B. AB is a chord, okay, and that shaded part is called as segment. So from AB I can create as many different triangles as I want, and since all of them are opening up to AB only, so they will be making angle theta. And this is what the theorem says: angle in the same segment are equal. There will be infinite of such possibilities, and you have to just know this. If you know it, then doing this circle theorem is very easy. So see you in the next video with the next circle theorem.